Cheers.
Dad, I'm gonna take the big one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, the big one. Oh, wait. Mark? Dad, it's too big. Thank you.
Alright, Stella.
No.
No? You don't want to try it?
No. No. Don't eat it.
Wow. That's got
It's
really...
so good.
Yeah. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and moist strawberry bread. But before we get started with the recipe, let me share some tips and tricks on how to prepare and bake the bread. First things first, we need to prepare the strawberries. You want to make sure that they're ripe and sweet to give your bread a fruity flavor. I washed mine in a mixture of 4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of baking soda for about 5 minutes, then rinsed and dried them off. After that, I cut the strawberries into small pieces and set them aside. Now let's take a look at the ingredients we'll need for this recipe. We'll need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a half a teaspoon baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half cup unsalted butter, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, a half cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and of course our chopped strawberries. In a large mixing bowl, I add the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them together until they're well combined. In a separate bowl, I added the sugar and butter and creamed them together by hand until the mixture is creamy and smooth. Then I add the eggs and whisk them in, followed by the sour cream and vanilla. I slowly mix in the flour mixture until everything is well combined. Once the batter is ready, I fold in the chopped strawberries gently to avoid crushing them. Then I grease a loaf pan and transfer the batter into it, smoothing out the top. As a final touch, I cover the top of the dough with fresh, thinly sliced strawberries. Then I bake the strawberry bread in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 to 60 minutes. When the bread is fully cooked, I let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before removing it and placing it on a wire rack to cool completely for about 30 minutes. Once it's cooled, I slice the strawberry bread and serve it topped with whipped cream. In conclusion, you now know how to make a delicious and moist strawberry bread with ease, and it's perfect for any occasion. Please try the recipe and share your thoughts in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tasty recipes. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, including 1-pan creamy garlic chicken, cheesy stuffed peppers with savory beef filling, and watermelon sorbet. And thanks for watching.
I tried it. Look.
I had no idea
Look. Hey.
strawberry bread was a thing, but this is delicious. What do you think?
Good.
Well, this piece was for Stella, but she doesn't want it, so.
No, I think we have it. Hey. Get a napkin. Get a napkin. This is not a trick.
Yeah, hold on a second. Careful, Stella.
This milk is getting purple.
Okay. Alright, so how is it?
Good. And I really want to make this video again.
You want to make this video again? So be sure to like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye. We'll see you next time.